start with it anywhere else. Floor after we got the tiles off. The tile job wasn't too bad, wasn't too sticky after 20 whatever years. And now we're tearing that up, just deciding how far to go out. Maybe out to here, maybe the whole way. That's Bobby's department. So we'll blame him if it doesn't work. Yep. Right there.
Yeah, so I should be able to just go right in half the whole thing like that.
Yeah, but that will be weak if you cut it.
Back down again. And then we're going to go. Hey.
Bob, you need some gloves? I got some
Yeah, dude.
Gloves.
I got some leather gloves for you.
He's not scared of rusty nails.
Lower your hands. That's all I have to say.
Take one.
So far so good. Stove's gone. We need to finish up the edge here, cut some wood out so we can get new plywood down. We're going to put some new blocking in here and sturdy it up before we put the plywood down. And yeah, we got it all out this morning, tile gone, and hopefully we will end up with a much sturdier floor.
Tie them together underneath there, but I think we got plenty of strength and all.
Nicely, man. Got that? Pretty fine, huh?
Yeah, did you do that work, Andy?
I did it for him on it, yes.
Nice.
So did that guy right over there,
Nice.
Mr. Ron.
Take it to the center.
just got 3 fields done, and we're spreading fertilizer here on the turnaround. As soon as Andy's done fertilizing, we're going to run the rice grass seed, grain seed, whatever you call it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I actually made it up here for just a little bit. Not doing any work, but I did make it up here. You know,
That's the best way to do it.
that's right.
We've been having fun too.
A good time was had by all.
It's a lot of seed.
That was a husky, Jimbo.
Yeah, it's much.
Home paving, man. We're on the cul-de-sac for a minute too, you guys, over here. There we go. Now look at nice thick seed bed. Look at all these nice dry grain, fertilizer. Gotta like that. Yeah!